Good morning, our beloved Kelly members. Xin chào, Namaste. Myself Ramit, and welcome to our Kelly Home Live classes. Today I am going to teach you yoga therapy. This is a very beginner class, helping to improve your breath, flexibility, and health. Same time, we will focus on our breath. So let's start. Sit down any comfortable posture. Relax body, closing eyes. Start breathings. And start 3 times, chanting Om. Breathe in. Om. Om. Palms together, rubbing your palms, making energy. And touch on your eyes, face. Again. And now. And gently open your eyes, inside palms, slowly palms down. Namaste. Welcome to yoga therapy class. So let's start with the breathing. Sit proper, spine straight, away shoulders, longer spine, sit here. Then start with some breathings. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And last. Interlock fingers, showing upside, locking your elbow, stretch a body longer spine, look up, regular breathe. Staying here, 10 counting, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and now 1. Exhaling down. Again, one more time. Inhale, same process, arms up, interlock, showing up. Stretch up completely, look up. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and now 1. Exhaling down. One breath. Then inhale, right hand up. Go down, bending elbow on the ground, left over the head. Complete stretch your side body. Start simple warm up. Staying here, look up, regular breathe. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and now 1. Inhale, exhale. Complete stretch your side body. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and now 1. Exhaling down. Release your hands here. Release your legs. Simply relax here first. Yes. And now start little joint movement. Legs together. Sit proper. Keep length your spine, away shoulders. Just let. Exhaling down. Inhale up. Maximum stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4th. Change. 4th. 3, 2, 1. Staying here. Standing chest. Release your hands. Bending your right leg. Both arms in. Hitching your right thigh. Extending chest. Interlock finger away shoulder. Then simply inhale up. Try to lock your knee. Exhale. Bend your knees. Continue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Split right leg. Change. Do it with other leg. Same process. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Release left leg. Again, bend your right leg. Both arms out. Hold your ankles. Okay. Then simply inhale, lift your leg. As much as you can, keep length your spine, away shoulder, staying here. 10. Normal breathing, remember. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and now 1. Exhaling down. Change side. Do it with same process with other leg. Again. Inhale. Keep length your spine. And stay. Very good. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and now 1. Exhaling down. Release your leg. Take little bit more space between your both legs according to your mat. Standing chest, staying here. Toes toward your knees, arms open sideways. Stretch every finger. Start with simple breathing, twisting. Inhale. Then exhaling, your left hip catching by your right palm. Left arm back, look back. Inhale. Exhale, chin side. Inhale. 1. Inhale. 2. Inhale. 3. Inhale. 4th. Inhale. 5. Catch your left foot by your right palm. Then turn your upper body as much as you can. Twist. Turn your neck as well as. Look back. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and now 1. Simply inhale back. Again, exhale. Your right feet catching by your left palm. Then left, right arm back, staying here. Turn your neck as well as look back. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and now 1. Slowly back. Release your hands again. Release your legs. Then again, bending your both knees. Start simple butterfly. Just up and down, up and down. Start little faster. Making pressure, extending chest away shoulder. Then exhaling, simply go down. Your body, longer spine. Possible then try to touch your forehead on the ground. Otherwise stay there. 10. Regular breath, remember. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, come up. Sit proper. Again away shoulder. Lift your hands. Arms stretch. Extending chest. Stretch every single fingers. Remember. Stay here. Then simply exhaling down. Inhale up. Continue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Start making fist. Exhale. Make fist. Inhale. Open. Continue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Make fist rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4. Change. 4th, 3, 2, 1. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Palms on your shoulders. Simple rotation. Complete. Inhale up. Exhale down. Continue. 1, 2, 3, 4th. Change. 4th, 3, 2, 1. Release your hands. Little bit neck movement. Then simply inhale up as much as you can stretch. Exhale down. Chin touch to your chest. Continue. 1, 2, 3, 4th, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slowly inhale. Look front. Change. Look left and right side. Same breathing process. Exhaling. Turn your neck toward the left. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. 1. Inhale. 2. Inhale. 3. Inhale. 4th. Inhale. 5. Inhale. 6. Inhale. 7. Inhale. 8. Slowly look front. Raise your right hand up. Catching your left side head. Just soft pressure. Well, neck staying here. Go to left, right side. Staying here, breathe out and stay here regular with soft pressure. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and now 1. Inhale up, right hand down, same side then. Same process with your other hand. Exhaling, simply staying there. Very good. Just regular breath. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and now 1. Release your hands here. Simply release your right leg. Bending here completely. Left knee, extending chest, away shoulder, staying here. Very good. And simply your right hand up. Your left knee catching by your right palm. And left hand up, catching your right feet. Staying here. As much as you can turn your side body, staying here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and now 1. Simply inhale, come up. Left hand up, maximum stretch up. Then left arm behind back, take support to left palm. Inhale, simply buttocks up, right arm over there, extending chest, staying here. Very good. 10, regular breath. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Simply down, standing chest, staying here. Very good. Just release your leg, chin side. Same process. Bend here. Now knee, staying here. Very good. And same process. Left hand up. Your right catching by your left palm. Then your right hand up. Go down. Exhaling. In your feet, staying here. Very good. Catch your feet now. Hold there. Very nice. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and now 1. Inhale, come up. Just stretch your right hand, touch upside, then right arm behind back, take support to right palm or fingertip. Inhale, simply buttocks up, extending chest, staying here. Very good. Look back. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Simply down. Release your hands. Release your leg. Relax. Then simply arm back. Turn your palms. Fingers inside, bending your knees. Hip distance apart, adjusting a little bit buttocks, extending chest. Then simply inhale, start to lifting upside your buttocks, extending chest, losing your neck. Stay here. Regular breath. Then 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and now 1. Exhaling down here, sit down, adjusting your left leg, release right leg over the left knee. Then same process again. Inhale, start to lifting your buttock. Remember regular breath, staying here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and now 1. Exhaling down, simply sit down, release your right leg, change side, do it with other leg. Same process again. Inhale, very good. Just staying here, maximum of losing leg. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhaling down, release your legs, release your hands. Then bending your both knees. Sit down, diamond. Stay here, sit proper. First relaxation here. Few breaths. Then simply both palms on the ground. Stretch every single finger, standing chest, adjusting a little bit legs, away shoulders, knee hip distance apart. Stay here, extend chest, yes. Enough space between your both palms. both knees, staying there. Then inhale, release your right leg up, release your left arm. Alternative leg and hand, look up, regular breath, staying here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and now 1. Exhaling, bending your knee, then your knee, touch your nose, hold your knee, your left palm. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release your right leg, left hand. Stay here first one with change side. Do it with the other leg, then other hand. Remember, try to keep your buttock same line. Lift as much as you can. Staying here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhaling, bending your knee, shin bone, left shin bone catching by your palm. Staying here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release your leg, release your hands, palms on the ground. Staying here, one breath. Touch your toes, locking your knees. Good hip distance apart. Adjusting your legs, little bit lift upside your buttock, extending chest. Try to lock your knees. Staying here, extending chest. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and now 1. Inhale, adjusting a little bit left leg, release right leg up. Staying here, extending chest, staying here. 10, locking your both knees. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and now 1. Exhaling, right forward. Bend your knees. Bending chest. Left knee down, toes down. Then moving little bit more. Right, shin bone. Yes. Just extending chest. Shift a little bit body weight and pressure to left side. Staying here. Then take support to your palms or fingertip. Extending chest. Adjusting little bit upper body. Push back side and look back. 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and now 1. Inhale, come up. Your both arms up. Stretch up maximum your upper body. Staying here. If you're not enough strong, then single hand support, it's okay, or both hands. It's up to you. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and now 1. Release your hands. Staying here. Then just little bit right shin bone, bending your left knee, standing chest. Staying here. Fix your feet here. Just staying here or here. In extending chest, look upside. Hold here. 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and now 1. Release your leg. Extending chest. Little bit more adjustment. Then your left hand up, left arm, shoulder on the ground, side forehead down, and lead your right hand dropping left side. As much as you can. Turn your upper body. Staying here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly back. Release your palms on the ground. Adjusting legs. Again, release your right leg. Downward facing dog. Stay here. Very good. Just staying here. Now, one breath. Change. Now, adjusting a little bit right leg. Then left leg up. Stay there. Again, locking your knee. Both knees. Staying here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and now 1. Simply bend your left knee, left leg forward. Take right knee down, push down. Then again, moving little bit more, left shin bone. Shifting again, little bit body weight and pressure right side. Stay here and just take support to palm or fingertips. Staying here, very good. Push back side and look back. Hold it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and now 1. Staying here. Then inhale, your both arms up, palms together. Stretch the body longer spine, both hand or single hand. It's up to you. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release your hands. Palms on the ground. Then simply adjusting a little bit. Shin bone, bending your right knee. Extending chest. Just fix here. Come over there. Extending chest, look up. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release your upper hand. And release your leg then. Extending chest. Adjusting first body. And right hand up. Right arm. Shoulder on the ground. Side forehead down. And dropping your left arm right. So remember regular breath again. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Simply back. Think it. Your left palm on the ground. Adjusting. Palm on the ground. Just your leg. Then release your left leg. Downward facing dog. Relaxation time. Staying here. Lift upside your buttocks. Staying here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and now 1. Slowly bending your knees. 10 inches, toes together. Take a little bit space, little bit relaxation. Stretch completely. Advanced rabbit pose. Staying here. Virasana. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and now 1. Simply sit down here. Again, few breath first. Relaxation. And now we will start. Little bit lie down Sirij. Cobra pose. Sirij. Staying here. Palms on the ground. Buttocks up. Adjusting little bit legs. Lie down position. Extending this. Staying there. Palms beside your shoulders. Staying there. Then take support to your palms. Inhale. Breathe in. Come up. Lift upside here. Upper body extending chest away shoulder. Look back. Exhale. Down. Same process again. One more time. Inhale. Deep breathe in. Staying here. Losing neck. Regular breath. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and now 1. Exhaling down. Again. Adjusting your little bit palms beside your chest. Little bit more deeper. Inhale. Extending chest, remember away shoulders, staying here as much as you can. Upper body, then losing neck. Regular breath. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and now 1. Exhaling down. Just stay here one breath. And simply bending your right arm. Your right ankle catching by your left palm. Your left arm over the head. Then inhale, lifting upper as well as down body, extending chest, staying here. Maximum look up. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and now 1. Exhaling down. Release. Change side. Release your left. Bend your left knee. Left ankle catching by your right palm. Same process again. Staying here. Inhale. Staying here. Remember regular breath. Hold here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhaling down. Release your hands. Staying here. One breath again. Then legs together once. Inhale. Lifting upper as well as down body. Staying here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhaling down. Then your palm beside your shoulders. Inhale. Lifting your upper body. Buttocks up. Back to again. Child. Staying here. Go down. Hold here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. Come up. Sit down here. Standing chair. Just relaxation. 1 and 2. Breathe again. Buttocks up. Stay here. Knee hip distance apart. Take a little bit of space between your both knees. Staying here. Extending chest. Simply inhale. Right hand up. Maximum stretch up. Then your right arm back. Catching your right heel. Remember your hand is support only. Extending chest. Adjusting your shoulder. Pushing forward side button. Then left arm over that. Locking elbow. Possible then losing your neck or keep your neck straight. Stay here regular beat. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly back. One breath. Change. Do it with other hand. Same process. Then your left heel catching by your left palm. Standing chest. Remember adjusting shoulder first. Right arm over that. Maximum stretch. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly back. Stay here. One breath first. Relaxation. Once complete pose. Then your right heel catching by your right palm. Left heel catching by your left palm. Pushing forward button. Then smoothly losing your neck. Regular beat. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Simply back. Your right, left hand. Standing chest. Sit down here. Staying here. Knees together. Away shoulders. Arms open sideways. Just ready for counter. Making fist. Touch beside your navel. Fix here. Make pressure your side abdominal part. Staying here. Make pressure. Inhale. Then exhaling. Breathe out. Completely breathe out. Go down. Try to touch your forehead on the ground or stay there. 10. Hold your breath 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. Again, one more time. Completely breathe out. Stay there. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. Come up. Stay here. Sit proper, extending chest. Take a little bit more space between your both knees. Chin chest. Lead your right hand up. Bending elbow behind head. Your left arm behind back. Grabbing the fingers. Extending chest. Shoulders. Staying there. Just look front. Stay there. 10. Regular breath. Remember. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and now 1. Release your upper hand. Release your down hand. Same process with your other hand now.
Turn arm, bend elbow behind it, right arm behind back, grabbing the fingers. If not possible, you can use your towel, belt, as to you. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release your upper hand, down hands, staying here, knees together, buttocks up. Release your right, left leg. Just relax here. Just little bit standing posture, 1 and 2. Take a space between both legs, resting your palms. Away shoulder. First one, breathe. Right hand up. Inhale. Maximum stretch up. Then simply exhaling, go down. Hold here. Regular breath, remember. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale up. Raise your hand. Same process with your other hand. Again, inhale. Then simply exhaling. Stay there. Very good. Maximum. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Simply back. Stay here. Lead your left arm behind back. Keep on a lumbar. Staying here. Then again right hand up. Just little back bending, extending chest. First stretch up. Then still inhale. Hold here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Simply back. Same process. Release your hand. Chin side then. Again, staying here. Right hand back. Release your left arm. Left hand up. Same process. Regular breath. Remember last position. Inhale. Go back. Hold here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhaling down. Staying there. Then go to counter pose here. Extending chest, away shoulder. Keep length of spine. Then your big toes catching by your both arms, first two fingers. Longer spine, counter pose here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, come up. Sit down. Stay there. Raise your hands. Then arm front. Interlock fingers. Index and front. Just away shoulders. Inhale. Then exhaling. Completely turn left side. Turn your neck as well as look back. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. Then again exhale. Staying here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly back. Release your hands. Release your legs. Then one balance. Staying here. Just stand proper. Away shoulders. Bring your right leg. Fix here. Standing chest. Just spine longer. Simply namaste. Just away shoulders. Staying here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release your hands. Release your leg. Same process with your other leg. Stay here. Bend here. First fix. Spine longer. Body straight. Standing chest. Simply namaste. Away shoulders. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Simply release your hands, release your legs. Then again, sit down. Stay there. Just relaxation first. Then lie down position. Little bit workout for your core. Extending chest. Beside your buttocks, palms beside your buttocks or under your buttocks is up to you. Both legs up. Stay here. Make a only 90-degree angle, locking your knee, just up and down, exhaling down, inhale, continue 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Slowly, 21. Legs down. Relaxation here. Release your hands. Then bending your both knee. Last position today class. Your both ankles catching by your both palms here. Then simply inhale, buttocks up, extending chest, staying here. Very good. Just hold here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhaling down. Again, one more time. Same process. Here, stay here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhaling down, bending your knees. Both shin bone catching by your both palms. Then start little rolling, just up and down, up and down. Lie down position. Staying here. Simple. Then inhale. Simply lift your head. Your knees touch to your nose. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhaling down. Raise your head. Then your right leg up. Bend your knee. Left hand up. Your right knee catching by your left palm. Dropping your right leg left side. Completely. Extending chest. Right hand. Right side. Look toward right now. Staying here. 10. Regular beat. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and now 1. Simply right leg up. Right leg down. Same process with your other leg. Bending your knee. Right hand up. Your left knee catching by your right palm. Just dropping your left leg right side. Look toward left now. Do not lift your left shoulder. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Simply release your legs. Release your hands. Lie down. 1 or 2 minutes. Deep relaxation. 5 and 6 deep breathings. Slowly back, moving your legs, hands, aware your body is. Bending your right or left knees, up to you. And take turn left or right side, up to you. You lie down, few seconds, same position. And now take support to palms. Please sit down here. Sit proper, closing eyes, start breathing. And start 3 times chanting Om. Breathe in. Palms together, your palms. And now place on your eyes face. Again. Now place on your eyes face. Take energy and gently open your eyes here, side your palms. Just relax. Namaste. Thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed this class. See you next time. Thank you very much again.